Theta United States dollar medium-term support explicitly remained at 92 cents. Or so they sort of thought. The really current exchanging volume of Theta organization truly is at $16,060,016 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization in a real sense is as of now esteemed at 78 cents. Bull control Theta's especially current cost activities in a sort of large manner. 13 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these oftentimes in every practical sense, clarified pressing issues, facts. What for the most part is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Theta organization? Basically is Theta and in every way that really matters. Wise venture, which truly is genuinely huge. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping essentially profound into the Theta specialized examination, especially let us truly discuss the truly current economic situations in a huge manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416. By and large further appearance. How yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Theta specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations in a fundamentally significant manner. The kind of absolute exchanging volume especially remains at $31,315,169,849, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in a quite large manner, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, which in a real sense shows that the by and large current exchanging volume of Theta organization in every way that really matters is at $16,060,016. Or so they especially thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, which sort of is genuinely huge. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.1 and presently exchanging at 47 cents, which really is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of significant way. These occasions truly show that the market for the most part is going in a really descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, exhibiting that these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a very descending course for sort of transient in a by and large huge manner. As of now, an essentially broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Or so they truly thought. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Support generally is a level at which purchasers especially become certainly more by and large dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every practical sense. Further appearance how 13 July 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these as often as possible in every practical sense, clarified some things, facts. What truly is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Explicitly is Theta an excellent interest in a fundamentally significant manner. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants fundamentally become move truly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a kind of descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market all things considered is going in a truly descending heading for certainly present moment, which for the most part is very critical. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, explicitly is at 78 cents, up 2.59% in the specific beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 2.7% throughout the week. So similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which merchants in a real sense move pretty dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how these occasions by and large show that the market especially is going in a genuinely descending course for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market basically is going in an essentially descending heading for in every way that really matters, transient in an exceptionally significant way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 16,060,016.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally all-out market cap came to $779,631,589 United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely huge. There generally are right around 1 billion explicitly are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how Theta organization truly is, as of now esteemed at 78 cents bull control Theta's truly current cost activities, or so they truly thought. Theta organization value examination Theta cost examination for 13 July 2023, insight in everyday time period, truly made sense of underneath, so which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, which certainly shows that the sort of current exchanging volume of Theta organization essentially is at $16,060,016, or so they generally thought. We utilize truly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to fundamentally examine the future development of the Theta organization. Or so they really thought. The Theta United States dollar moving commonly normal combination and difference, MACD, pointer by and large, is showing a present moment most certainly sell sort of sign, as the MACD line in every practical sense is moving beneath really signal line, which all things considered implies especially bears certainly are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, which in a real sense shows that the very current exchanging volume of Theta organization in a real sense is at $16,060,016, or so they sort of thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and explicitly is attempting to generally break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength. So the sort of all-out exchanging volume